Hi everyone, welcome back to Origami Time. So in the spirit of Easter and spring, I thought this week we could do some spring themed origami. So today we are going to try our hands at making Easter bunnies. They are a little bit complicated, but we are just gonna try our best and have fun with it, and I'm gonna try and guide you through it step by step. As usual, all you'll need is a square sheet of paper. Alright, let's hop to it and let's fold. For those of you who have origami paper, we're going to start white side up. And the first step is that we're going to take this top side and we're going to fold it down to meet this bottom side. And remember to make sure that the sides line up as much as possible and you get that nice sharp fold. Just like that. Now we're going to unfold, and you see how we have a top part and a bottom part. We're going to fold this top part in half. So this top line is going to meet our center line. Just like that. And we're going to do the same thing with the bottom. Just like that. After that, we're going to take each corner and we're going to fold them down towards the center line. So we're essentially making 4 triangles. So I'm taking this corner and I'm going to fold it down. So there's 1. And there's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. After we've made our triangles, we're going to fold them the other way. So you see where this crease is? I'm just going to fold backwards using that same crease. Just like that. And unfold. Cool. The next thing we're going to do is open up the gap between the triangle, just like that. And we're going to press down on this top side so that hopefully it pops out like that. And you see how we have this triangle shape here? We're going to take this side of the triangle and we're going to fold it over this side of the triangle. Just like that. And we're going to do that for all 4 sides. So I'm going to widen this gap right here. And then I'm going to push down on the top. It's kind of hard, so you might need a couple turns. Just like that. We have our triangle. I'm going to fold the side that's coming out and fold it on top, just like that. Do the same thing here. Pop this open. Triangle, fold it over. Last side, open the gap, pop it open, find our triangle, fold this over. And once you've done that, you should be left with a hexagon. We're going to turn the whole thing over. And do you see how we have this triangle right here? And then underneath we have these 2 like legs. We're gonna fold just the triangle over, just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're just folding the triangle over, just like that. And then we're gonna flip the whole thing over again. And do you see how this side is long, whereas these sides are short? So long side, short, short. We're gonna take 2 short sides on either side. So either these 2 or these 2, and we're going to fold them towards the center. So I am going to take these 2 and I'm going to fold it towards the center. That's 1. And that's 2. And now, if you can see, we have another triangle right here. We're just going to fold that down. And when we do do that, the side should pop up. Just like that. Okay, after that, we're gonna take this top shape and we're gonna fold it under this bottom shape that we have here. So we're just folding the whole thing in half, just like that. Awesome, we are a little over halfway there, and here comes the trickiest step. So this is the back of our rabbit, and this is the front. We're gonna hold on to the back with one hand, and then use our thumb and index finger to push down on this corner right here. This corner is gonna be our nose. We're gonna push down on it. So what we're gonna do is hold on to it like this, and we're just gonna push down like that. And that should cause these two, which are the rabbit's ears, to move up. Just like that. So I'm gonna do that again. So I'm taking my two fingers, going right here, and I'm just gonna push down like that. And then, if you can see here, the paper is thin here and a lot thicker here because we have more layers. I'm gonna take my two fingers and I'm gonna move here, and I'm gonna push everything down. I'll show you again, push everything down like that. And as I'm doing that, I'm gonna slide the two fingers of my other hand up to the back of the head and push everything together. So I'm taking these two fingers, sliding up to back here, and we're gonna push everything together just like that. Alright, this is our head. It doesn't look like much right now, but once we finish it up, it's definitely gonna look like a rabbit. So what we're gonna do now is work on the nose. So I'm gonna go to the same spot right there. I'm gonna push down on this corner with my index finger, and it's gonna go in like this, and I'm gonna push everything together just like that. So we're basically hiding that corner in there. Like that. And we're gonna stop here for today, and in the next video we'll work on the legs and finish everything up. Alright, so hope to see you in the next video.